Okay, so I'm going to add the kunafa. We'll fry it for some maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. So we are frying the kunafa now. I'm going to add the pistachio. I've just blended this with pistachio, some condensed milk, and also a little bit of whole milk. Not much, but yeah, we're going to use this to add it to the mixture now. That should be good for us. Let's try and mix this. Try and do this in a low flame so it doesn't get burnt. Mix it really well. Hello everyone, so we're going to make some chocolate. This is called the Dubai chocolate. I've got the chocolate, I've melted this. It is really fine and you can see the texture. And then we also have the kunafa. So I've fried this with some butter and I have a little bit of condensed milk. So now we're going to make some chocolate. Let's do this. This is just to get some, design and texture on the top layer. Right. Okay. Now let's add some chocolate. Okay, let me just try and set it up first. Let's set the first layer. The layer has to be a little bit thick so that then you can add the kunafa as well on top of that. Okay. So we need a little bit of more chocolate. Right. Can you see that? Okay. So look at this. We want that shape to come through really well. I'm going to add a little bit more so that we don't have some. Right. So we've got the first layer. Now I'm going to add the kunafa. Okay. I'm going to add the topmost layer. Let's add some chocolate. Right, so let me just shape it up a little bit. No super chocolate. Right, so we've got the 2 layers added. Now I'm going to leave it for some time, probably refrigerate it or freeze it for 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll get back and have a look at it. Okay, so I've kept this chocolate for about a few hours, 3 to 4 hours. Now we want to see if it is set or not. I'm going to start removing the edges. Let's see. Wow, it looks really good. Cool. Let's wait. I'm going to peel it out. Wow, look at this. This is Dubai chocolate. Okay, let's try and cut this out. Let's see.